So on my second deployment to Afghanistan, and I was putting the roof on a guard post, and when I jumped off the piece of heavy equipment, I landed on a 48-pound IED, which took both my legs above the knee and my left arm above the elbow.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the second day of the Simpson Cup here at the beautiful Shinnecock Hills.
So the Simpson Cup, it's our annual event, Ryder Cup format, Team USA versus Team GB. It's a team of 13 Americans and 13 UK veterans.
So the competition and the camaraderie is at the highest peak level you'll see. These are definitely some of the best adaptive golfers in the world. As a veteran and an injured veteran, golf is probably